If you're looking for a house in Westfield, Maria has us here at 19 Simmons Brook Drive. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This is your local look.
Come take a look. So we have a stunning, great room with vaulted ceilings.
Wow, that's tall.
Yeah.
I love it.
Lots of natural light with the arch windows, and it's a great space for entertaining.
Why don't we take a right?
So the dining room and living room also have these unique arch windows.
So when we go around the corner, we have a first floor primary. This is great.
Yes. The main bedroom features hardwood floors, double closets, and access to the main first floor bath, which you're going to love.
All right, let's go back down through the kitchen, and then off the back, we have
this sunroom with easy access to the exterior, where you'll find a patio set on 1 acre lot and the koi pond.
I love the koi pond. All right, let's head on upstairs. We have 3 rooms up here.
They all have double closets, hardwood floors.
This is awesome. And another large bathroom, really great tile work here, and an enormous shower. And we also have a partially finished basement. This place is great. You've got to hit Maria up. She's ready to take you for a private tour. If you're looking for some financing options, hit me up. I would love to chat with you about the options. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. Maria, thank you so much for having us and showing us this property. We absolutely love it. Westfield, thanks for having us. We're out of here.